Can you go over your belief system around what Bitcoin allows you to do?
It's the world's first self-clearing bearer instrument that cannot be debased. Inflation robs you of your labor, and politicians are the ones that pull the strings on that.
Pull the string! Pull the string!
So politicians who are not economists and who have not provided the labor that you provided will make decisions that erode your wealth. I mean, with a $50 smartphone, I can clear a Bitcoin transaction, and it's a self-bearing asset.
And you control the key. Now the risk is you lose that key, you lose your money. That's a risk that's scary. Right?
That's a risk, yeah. I
It's
mean,
not insured, you could lose your money.
if you put it in cold storage, absolutely. This type of asset is an asset for people who are responsible.